Yeah, definitely everything's starting to ramp up as we work our way into Thursday and Friday. But right now, it's the calm before our next storm. 39 degrees, that's where we currently sit with a lot of sunshine raining down across our area. Might be deceiving that a KOIN 6 weather alert is in place for Thursday and Friday. So for the rest of this evening, temperatures will be sliding back close to the freezing mark by about 8 o'clock in the evening. I've given us those yellow bikes to go for the rest of tonight, not because of the dry skies, but because of the bone-chilling temperatures. You're going to really have to fight against the wind, making the 32-degree temperature feel more like it's in the 20s. As the clouds, they're already starting to push their way back on shore as we see those strong easterly winds really start to ramp up as we work our way through the overnight hours, expecting them to howl out of the Columbia River Gorge close to 35 to 40 miles per hour, expected to last through much of the day tomorrow. So we have winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories in effect over the Cascades and the coast, but it's the Portland-Vancouver metro area that could potentially see some of the most impactful as far as the road conditions go with the snow-sleet mixture. You got to keep in mind our temperatures are going to be extremely cold, that it's going to struggle to keep a lot of the moisture in the air. So any snow that does fall will be dry in nature, but also likely going to be seeing some sleet mixed in that as well, as the moisture will be in abundance. So our confidence, it does continue to grow for Thursday into Friday. Again, a snow, ice, sleet event for the Portland-Vancouver metro area. Dangerously cold winds as we move our way through the night tonight into Thursday and Friday, and expecting to see some slick roadways as we work our way towards the end of the work week. So those strong easterly winds keep us on the dry side for tonight. As we approach tomorrow morning, as you maybe head off to work, head off to school at the delayed start, this is where things could be slightly deceiving. The snow tracking its way from the south to the north as we work our way through the mid-morning hours tomorrow. This is about 10 o'clock. Heavy snow showers expected for parts of the Portland-Vancouver area. By the later afternoon, evening hours, that's where we start to get some of this pink ushering its way into the Willamette Valley. That's where we could potentially see the sleet or the freezing rain, which overall just means that slick conditions are going to start to develop for the evening commute. Fast forward to Friday morning. Not only are we going to keep temperatures below freezing for the icing conditions, but expecting to see the wintry mix once again return, if not even heavier snow showers for the start of the day Friday. It's not until Friday afternoon, Friday evening that we slowly start to dry out those skies. As far as the snow accumulation goes for parts of the I-5 corridor, through Thursday in the mid-morning hours, it's only expected to be maybe a light dusting. Keep in mind, it's going to be extremely cold and extremely windy, so we won't really see the snow pile up. If anything, it's going to be blowing on a lot of those roadways, still making for some slick conditions as we work our way into Friday as well. We could potentially near anywhere from about 1 inch to 4 inches of snow for the Portland-Vancouver area. Beneath that, we could also see some icing from the sleet. That's going to be kind of flipping back and forth between the snow showers and the sleet. That's where we could get up to about 1/10 of an inch for parts of the I-5 corridor, a greater chance over the coast range. So we have the available cold air, but a very small window of warm air could potentially sneak its way in between the cold layers, giving us that sleet formation, which overall still makes for some slick conditions. So Thursday morning, starting off clear. We start to see those roads degrade as we work our way through the mid-morning hours as the snow begins. By Thursday evening's commute, likely going to be on the slick side of things with cold overnight temperatures that will linger into Friday morning as well. So tonight we stay dry, we stay cold with our actual air temperature falling back into the upper 20s. Likely going to be feeling closer to maybe 20, if not even into the teens, as those gusty winds find their way back into our area. So again, KOIN 6 weather alerts in place for Thursday, Friday, Valentine's Day. Highs into the 30s. Overnight lows also below the freezing mark, and also expecting to see that wintry mix taper off by the end of the day on Friday. And then we warm things back up again as we work our way into the weekend, the start of next week. That's where our temperatures get closer to what is average for this time of year, which is the low 50s. So once we get through the next 48 hours or so, guys, we really should start to see some improvements with our forecast.
How about that? High of 52 at the end of your forecast. Looks pretty warm compared to now.
Yeah, much better than 32 tomorrow.
Yeah. All right, Josh, thank you.
Yeah.